So today is the first weekly tools video where I'm gonna show you a tool that you should use for writing a song with. You should finish the song simply to learn the most and because it's fun learning. The first tool I'm gonna show you is to use different time signatures in the same song. So today I'm gonna try to make an example of how you can do it, and then hopefully you'll do the same. And when you finish your song, then please share it in the YouTube comments so we can get inspired by each other's songs. It's not about getting feedback or being told that you're amazingly great, but it's simply about inspiring others to also do it. It's nice to share your music, and it's also a good exercise to share your music. We are gonna be using 4/4 and 3/4. I'm gonna make two parts, one with each, and this is simply this week's assignment tool. Okay, so the first part is gonna be in 4/4, so it's already set up to be in 4/4. It would be nice if it was kind of random, so every time you open Ableton you actually had to think about what you wanted to work in. But this is not how it is today. So I'm simply just gonna make some chords in 4/4. And if you want to know how I make chords, then you can watch my How Everyone Can Make Awesome Chord Progressions videos. Okay, so now I made the first part and I'm simply just gonna write it here, 4/4. So every time I press here, the time signature will go back to 4/4 if it's changed. And then I will make something in 3/4. Yes, so here. So 3/4 is simply that we count to 3 instead of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't really worry about if the two different parts fits together, because when I do what I just feel like doing, then most often it does fit. And if it doesn't, I just make something new up. And now we can feel like the difference in the flow, and it just becomes, for me, the 3/4 part becomes a bit more magical, and the 4/4 becomes like a bit everyday work, kind of boring kind of ish feelings. But I'm very satisfied with both parts. So now I made two parts using different time signatures. If I really want to learn, then I cannot just stop here. I need to finish the song, because the moment where we actually realize what we have done is only when we have finished. So I will just start to make melodies and then some lyrics, and then you will hear the result. This is my first weekly tool video, and please give me feedback if you have any good suggestions. Should I maybe make a subreddit where we could share our songs and talk about the challenges and ask if we need help? Go and make a song where the A part is 4/4 and the B part is 3/4. Finish the song so you learn the most. And this is not about making a good song, but it's simply about playing and experimenting and doing something you maybe haven't done before. If it seems odd to do a song like this, then just do it anyway, because art is just something that we haven't experienced before. And from doing one song like this, I know that before I really get to know what it means to do this, I need to make multiple songs using this tool. But again, I can also use the tool in the next song I'm making, so the next song is gonna be a new tool, and also that I'm gonna mix the time signatures. I hope this inspires you to do some more learning, because music is about learning, and you will never get to the point where you know everything. So try it out and make it work. And if you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up button and consider to subscribe to my channel. It would truly make me happy. Enjoy! I ran in a rush to watch the golden fields I heard about in stories, to watch fantasies, a place where I can dream without being awakened. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, make a wish and repeat. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, make a wish and repeat. You never speak out loud, though your talk seems to be alright. Your silence screams in my ears. My head is about to explode. I'm chasing an alarm to wake me up from this chaos. I never knew that you existed. I came to escape, but instead I found you. You never speak out loud, though your tongue seems to be alright. Your silence screams in my ears. My head is about to explode. You never speak out loud, though your tongue seems to be alright. Your silence screams in my ears. My head is about to explode. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, make a wish and repeat. Close your eyes.